Bunny's Craft. Hi guys, welcome back to another Bunny's Craft. Today we are creating a chocolate vegan cheesecake. So for this you will need one of the big packs of Oreo, 50 grams of melted butter, 600 grams of cream cheese, 200 grams of cream, 100 grams of icing and 2 teaspoons of vanilla. To make it chocolate you need 100 grams of melted dark chocolate and 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. First of all you need to crush up your biscuits and add in the melted butter. Combine this and then press it firmly into a tin and then set it in the fridge for 20 minutes. Next you need to make your cream cheese filling. In a bowl mix your cream cheese, your cream, your icing and your vanilla together. Quick tip here, if you want to make a plain vanilla cheesecake, I highly recommend using a rice cream or a soy cream, as coconut cream can be very overpowering. But for this I used coconut cream and it was fine for the chocolate. I originally used 200 grams of icing sugar but I found that a little bit too sweet. Next you need to melt your chocolate in the microwave, but make sure you mix it every 30 seconds or so. Pour this into your cream cheese mix and then add your cocoa powder and mix well. When it is all nicely combined and smooth, get your tin out the fridge and pour in your mix evenly. My tin is quite small, so this is a very deep cheesecake, but you can use a bigger tin if you wish. Just set it in the freezer overnight and it should be solid. If you make a vanilla cheesecake, this should come out quite soft and easily cut. You can eat it straight out the freezer. But as this has chocolate in, it will harden quite a bit, so you will need to cut it and leave it out for 10 minutes before you eat it. But this recipe is perfectly safe to keep in the freezer, so it will last a long time. And this is what my cheesecake turned out like. I think it's a really nice recipe, and especially for a vegan recipe, it's so smooth, it's so creamy, you would never guess that it's vegan. But anyway guys, if you liked this video then make sure you give it a big thumbs up so I know you liked it. Also comment below any questions, I will happily answer anything. Again, thank you for watching this video and I will see you all in the next video. Bye guys!